Good morning, everyone. It is Monday morning and time for the last sign carvers of the day on Mondays for the month of April. This actually will bring us up to date until April 1st. So January, February, March. So this is through the end of March, which is really cool. So I'm going to try and keep up with them. I won't be doing them every Monday from this point forward. I'll just do them periodically, but hopefully I'll stay on top of them so they won't get really stacked up like they were. I still have a stack, but not near what I did at the beginning of April. So let's get right into it. I'm still filming by myself. Vicky's still in California. So I'm going to go to the next scene, and then I will zoom in on these just like I've been doing for the last few sign carvers of the day. Oh, by the way, before I forget, don't forget that these are they're all going to show up on the Facebook page. First of all, if you're watching on a PC or if you're in a situation where you can see the comments down below, not the comments, but the description. In the description below, there's always links over to the Facebook page where all of these will live. It'll take me a week or so to get them over there, but there's a couple thousand of them there. So if you guys need ideas for signs, holy moly, go over to the Facebook page and check out some of this stuff. Again, there's like 4 different sign carvers of the day albums. So go to Dave Signs Facebook page and look for the SCOTD albums, and there's hundreds and hundreds in each one of them. Just tons of great ideas. Anyway, hope that is helpful. I just didn't want to forget that because I always seem to forget to say that. So in the description below, there's links. If you can't find the links, just go to Facebook and look for Dave Signs, and you'll find them there. Anyway, we'll get right back and get into this. Okay, here we go. Calvin Burnett. Beautiful job on this cow skull, Calvin. I love it. Great job. Look at all that detail. Terrific job, Calvin. I love the contrast of the dark black against the pine. Ron Williams. This is for his shop, and I believe that is Ron. This is his second sign. The first one may be the one behind him. He didn't say, but I think it probably is. Anyway, terrific job, Ron. Hope you're having fun. Great job. Al Kane. Check out that one. That one is really cool. Very nice job, Al. Love the contrasting colors. And that's a pretty good niche, guys. Pen holders, desk signs. That's a really good niche. I love the contrast of the dark and the light. Looks like walnut or maybe cherry, but it could be just stain with the pine on the front. Looks like pine anyway. Great job. Donald Thayer. Very big hit for Chris Stapleton. Tennessee Whiskey. Those of you that have been around country music for a while know that George Jones had a big hit on that years and years ago, decades ago probably. Anyway, but Chris did a great job on that. Terrific job on his logo there. Love it. Great job, Donald. Mike Jones. Mike is really good at these. This is a 32-inch starfish with seashells and sea glass. Easy for me to say. Anyway, he sells these for $200. And he used the 60 degree and the 90 degree and the spiral in order to create this. Beautiful job. Mike, I know he sells a lot of these things. Terrific job, Mike, as always. Victor Ramirez. So Victor has an interesting deal going on here. He makes custom wooden ice boxes, and this is the top of one of them. What a great, cool idea. And I've seen a lot of the wooden ice boxes with the torch stuff on it, but he takes it to the next level and customizes them and does work like that. Beautiful job, Victor. Love it. Thomas Torrance. So this is some of his first signs. Gosh, I hope these are coming out. And but check out the frame on that one. I really like that middle one and the frame that he did on there. That's really a cool idea. Love it. Great job, Thomas. Keep up the great work. Hope you're having a good time. Jason Davis, one of his first signs. Look at the detail in the roses and stuff on there. For one of his first signs, terrific job, Jason. Beautiful work. Larry Broom. I talk to Larry every once in a while on the phone. Check out this, another great niche. This is obviously done with a live edge cookie. Slab of something, I'm not sure what kind of wood that is. Looks like it might be cedar to me, based on the bark. Might be cedar or some other kind. I'm not a wood expert. But anyway, great job, Larry. Love it. Great niche there too. Richard Cross. This one is cool. Just hold it a second so you guys can read that. Love it. Great job, Richard. Beautiful. David Womack. So the top sign he did 12 years ago, and the bottom sign he just added that to that directory. And that bottom one is 3 foot by 5 foot. Terrific job, David. Love it. Cool idea. And that's a great lesson that there's always signs that need to be made out there, guys. So keep your eyes open and show people what you do. Great job, David. Keith Rochelle. Oops, sorry. So this is actually translated from a photograph, which is really cool. I love it. So those are really popular these days as well. This is obviously like a trophy memento thing. Another great niche. Bob Hatch, back in Maine, does a lot of trophy stuff for the hunting and fishing community. Bob Rose, check that out. Beautiful. Another great piece of artwork. Sorry, I needed to see it. Great piece of artwork there, Bob. 11 by 17. Gorgeous. Travis Hargis. This one is really neat. Piece of cedar. I don't know if it's Eastern red or Western red. That I don't know. Probably Eastern red. But it's kind of cool how he used the shape of the board and did his layout based on the shape of the board. It's a great idea putting the phone number out on the end like that in that on that skinny spot. Great job, Travis. Beautiful sign. Sherry Sweeney. I talked to Sherry not too long ago. Beautiful job, Sherry. So I like the artwork. I wish the picture was a little bit better. It's kind of blurry there, but great looking sign, Sherry. I think she's just starting out, and I think she did a terrific job on these. This almost looks like it's got resin, like epoxy on it. I'm not sure. I can't really tell for sure, but it looks like it does. Great job, Sherry. Check this one out. Stan Squires. So these are his first signs, which is incredible. This is done for an 80-acre parcel that he hunts and fishes on. And these are directional signs. Again, a great niche. If you guys know people that have reserves, you know, big pieces of property that people need to get around on, directional signs, it's a perfect niche. Beautifully done, Stan. I'm sure that will bring you a lot of business for people that are out there hunting on that property, hunting and fishing. Great job, Stan. James Chandler. This one's really cool. Check out this little artwork. That dog that doesn't want to go in the tub. I love that. That's so cool. Beautiful work. Great job, James. Charlie Green. Very first sign. Cool shape. I really like that. Really detailed work for your very first sign. Good job, Charlie. Love it. Doug Harden. Very first sign. Great job. And a good message. I like it. Great job, Doug. You probably sell a lot of those. My son would definitely buy one. Very first sign from Michael. He has Rottweilers, obviously. I think he sent me some pictures of his dogs. Great job, Michael. Hope you're enjoying it. Nice artwork on that Rottweiler there. Bob Bortman. This one's really cool. I love the way you did the dog-eared corners and then scallop. That really is a cool look. So this is 8x24 pine, but it's got the Krylon cedar stain on it. And that's the spray stain that I use. Beautiful. Beautiful job, Bob. David Martin. I talked to David a couple Fridays ago on the Friday Live from Australia. And this is just incredible. Look at the details on that, guys. Oh my gosh, so cool. So this is all done with the 60-degree bit except for the red logo. And this is made from pallet hardwood. Man, the details on that are just incredible. Great job, Dave. John Moore. I think this had to do with like cars, like a car show, or maybe it was a car club. I might be wrong on that, John. I apologize if I am, but that's a beautiful job on that sign. Love it. Great job, John. Gary Edwards, big piece of cedar. Check that out. So this was made for a beach house, 2 inches thick and 4 foot long. Looks like it's got our Western font letters on there. Great job, Gary. Love it. Beautiful, beautiful sign. Love that. That should bring you some business. Gary Litchfield. This was commissioned to Gary from a friend of his. So he did a great job on it. Love that font. Good job, Gary. Keep up the great work, buddy. Van Devers. Man, look at this thing. This thing just is so cool. The American flag stuff is really popular these days, and he added just an extra element to it. Love it. Man, that is so cool, Van. Beautiful. That is a great niche, guys. That's a great kind of a take on the American flag. I love it. I think that is so cool. I might do something like that. Ron Smith, 8x22 pine, and he's got epoxy resin finish on it. And you can kind of see it where it's kind of shining right there. You can kind of see he has like a resin shine on there. 8x22. Great job, Roy. Tim Wells. This one is really cool. I love the shape. I haven't seen one that shape before. But that was made for a coworker, has a farm, and he made it for his coworker's farm. I love the way he laid it out. I love that shape. That's really, really cool. Very unique. Great job, Tim. Steve Janis. Roll Tide. I think there's some Alabama fans out there somewhere. Anyway, great job. Look at the detail on that logo. Love it, love it, love it. Football, college football is coming. It's only, I don't know, a few months away. Great job, Steve. Last but not least, Adam Smith. Some of his first signs. Really nice contrast from the light to the dark there. Beautiful. Great, great, great. Love it. Okay, I'm going to come right back. All right, guys, that is it for today. Wednesday, I think we're going to have something really special coming up. I've got a couple ideas of special projects and whatnot. I'm not sure yet. I'm still playing around with some ideas. But if you guys have some ideas of things that you want to see me do, absolutely throw them at me. Remember, and I want to reiterate this again, guys, and I haven't been saying it enough lately. Number one, thank you so much for watching, for taking your time to spend watching what I do. I'm absolutely humbled by it and grateful, and I just love it. Love the fact that you guys get something out of these. So always email me directly, eric@makeawoodssign.com. Again, I haven't mentioned this much lately, but through Facebook, there's so many different ways that people send me messages through Facebook. I would so much rather you email me directly. The Facebook thing lately is really tough for me to get all the different messages through there. So I apologize if you've been trying to message me through Facebook and I miss it, but there's like 3 or 4 different ways that messages try to come to me that way. Email, always email is the best way to get a faster response from me. That's where I'm spending 90%, 95% of my time answering questions and getting pictures. If you've got pictures of the stuff you want on Sign Carvers of the Day, definitely email them to me. Don't post them on Facebook. Don't throw them in my timeline. This is my email is the best way to get them to me, eric@makeawoodsign.com. So anyway, guys, I'll shut up now. Love you. We will see you on Wednesday with something special. A demo, I think, but I might be answering some questions too. So, and then Friday, we're doing a live again. Maybe Vicky will be back. I'm hoping. Anyway, love you guys. Have a great week, and we'll see you later. Bye-bye.